Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you have to open Play Store, then tap here, go to the My Apps and Games, and here you can see, after it checks for updates, here you can see the whole list of apps which is up to date. You can tap update all and update them all, but it could take some time. You can update them one by one by tapping update next to the apps. And that's like how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.